Electronic parking brakes are one of the fastest growing categories in the industry. And in this episode of the standard What's in Your Box training series, we're going to explain why service opportunities are growing and also explain why these parts are more important than you may think. Electronic parking brake actuators have replaced the older cable style designs and can be found on virtually all new vehicles. In fact, they first started appearing on cars about 20 years ago, and adoption by vehicle manufacturers has grown each year. Many popular vehicles with parking brake actuators are approaching 15 years old, which is why this category is seeing so much growth. Parking brake actuators are found on the brake calipers of both rear wheels. Some vehicles will use the exact same design on both sides, while others will require side-specific actuators. Regardless, whenever you are talking to a customer about one, it's a good idea to confirm the location. The performance of these components is actually far more important than most people realize, as they do more than just help a vehicle stay stopped. Some vehicle manufacturers incorporate parking brake actuators into driver assistance systems, such as automated braking. That's right, on some vehicles, how quickly a vehicle stops in an emergency situation, especially in reverse, is dependent on the performance of electronic parking brake actuators. This is why standard parking brake actuators are all new, never remanufactured, are lab tested for durability, and are validated on real vehicles to confirm they integrate correctly with the electronic safety systems and perform correctly in all situations. Research and development, expert manufacturing, testing and validation, industry-leading coverage, and sales support. That's what's in our box. What's in yours?